Yung bundok nila, oh,
disability,
puro
and
lupa
the
na
kids
lang.
get some money, so they're trying to invest their money to the house in California.
Bato pala yan.
That's far.
That's what I said. I said it's not. Ayan ang mga campus na makakapita ka na sa mga ganyan.
It's gonna be a long time for it to grow. If they plan to live there, they've got to find a job. They'll find a job there, but
They're thinking about the investment. That's how they do it. May kaibigan kami, retired na sa Pilipinas.
Oo.
Yeah, that may make sila ng 6. Turn right.
At the stop sign, turn right onto South Las Vegas Boulevard.
Dry na dry nga lang dito.
Mm-mm.
In 7.6 miles,
watch
turn
this.
left.
They're all houses on that side. Actually, this is all for you. Nah, houses with casinos.
Just get what you want, huh? You see it.
During a VR.
It's good.
In other words, the virtual thing, you're not,
Oh, you're exiting. Just
when you
pay
ride it,
attention.
you're not even on the thing, you're going through
Malapit na
waterfall.
tayo?
Ito na, mag-exit.
Oh, ito na?
Get prime.
And there's no
Papunta na
track
kami
on the
ng
way.
California.
It's like your mind.
Ayun, yung whiskey ang madalas kami kumain. Ayan.
Ano to? Border na to ng California.
Use the right lane to take exit
Oo.
1 toward Bridge.
Hindi pa, konti pa.
Ah, konti pa.
Huh?
Dito yung may outlet, ate. Kung gusto nyo ng souvenir, dito, mura dito.
Sige.
Dito sa loob ng mall nito, may mga yung mga t-shirt na $5 isang Las Vegas, yung mga ganun. Meron dito. O buti na rin pala napunta tayo dito para makabili tayo. Ayan, outlet yan, yung loob niyang outlet yun.
Exit now, Starbucks.
Ay, ang ganda dyan, door.
Yung
Ano
loob
to?
yan, outlet yan. Ito, mga hotel din yan.
Ah, mga hotel rin.
Sa parking lot na to, doon tayo sa
Turn
outlet.
right, then arrive at your
Casino to eh.
destination.
Doon tayo sa outlet.
Ito, oh.
Casino to. Wala namang view dito sa casino nila dito eh. Kaya mas gusto
I
ko sa
can't have to go around because they're blocking
Doon
it.
tayo sa outlet basta. Yan. Dito kami lagi kumakain ng mga tita ko. Mura kasi buffet dito. Pero, hindi ko naman gusto. Sorry naman.
They got flying
Hindi siya
J.
ganun kasarap. I mean,
Mm-mm.
kumbaga yung let's save our appetite na lang para mamaya.
Take a sharp right
Diba?
to
Oo.
Park.